Math 76, lesson 63, polygons. So there's a lot of bookwork here that we have to look at. Specifically this chart right here, found on page 303, not 303, 303, and it is our polygons. We need to know how many sides each of these shapes have, and we need to memorize these words and know how to associate them with this picture in our brain. So triangle is 3, tri meaning 3, quadrilateral is 4. Sides, pentagon, penta meaning 5, 5-sided shapes, hexagon, 6 sides, and octagon, 8 sides. So these are the polygons we need to memorize. You got to memorize these words. We got to know how many sides are associated with each of them, and then have a visual image of them. So that's one thing we need to memorize. We need to memorize those words. We also need to know this word right here, vertex or vertices. A vertex is pretty much the corner of a polygon, right? So we can see here an octagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertexes. A hexagon has 6 vertexes. A pentagon has 5 vertexes. A quadrilateral has 4. A triangle has 3. But the vertexes are pretty much the corners, right? So that's what the word vertex means, or vertices for plural. So octagon has 8 vertices, 6 vertices, 5 vertices, 4 vertices, 3 vertices. All right, so this is important information that you have to memorize. Now, let's talk about this bold word right here, regular polygon. A regular polygon is interesting. A regular polygon has all sides equal length. All right, so if all the sides are the exact same length, then it is a regular polygon. So the example they give is with quadrilaterals. If we have quadrilaterals, a square is a regular polygon for a quadrilateral. Oh, also I forgot, regular polygons, all the angles inside are equal. So a square has all 90-degree angles, and all 4 sides are the same length. So like if that is 4, that is 4, that is 4, and that is 4. This is a regular polygon. Now a rectangle is not a regular polygon. It does have all 4 angles equal, but all 4 sides are not the same length. So this might be 10, this could be 4, this would be 10, and this would be 4. So this is not regular, but this is regular. Okay, another example would be like a regular triangle. Right? It would have all 3 of these angles being equal, and all 3 of these sides would be the same length. So that would be a regular triangle. All sides equal, all angles equal. That's a regular triangle. I can't draw anything much larger than that as regular. So there's interesting things about regular polygons. So for example, let's say I have a regular octagon. Let's say I have regular octagon. All right, so how many sides does the octagon have? 8, right? And I say its perimeter equals 96 inches, and I want to know how long is one side. Well, the interesting thing about a regular octagon is I know that every single side is the exact same length. So I can take the perimeter, which is all the sides added up together, and I can divide the perimeter by the number of sides to get the length of one. So if I take 96, I divide it by 8, and then I get 12. So the length of one side would be 12 inches. So that's how I can use some information about regular polygons to help me solve things about them. Also, a polygon can have as many sides as possible, right? So the smallest number of sides, well, any sides bigger than 3. So you could have a 3-sided polygon, you could have a 1,000-sided polygon, you have a 1,000,000-sided polygon, and that's an interesting thing about polygons because they're simple closed shapes. I think that's all I can teach you so far for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, let me know on the school website. But a big part of this lesson is understanding and memorization. So memorize your names of your polygons and make sure you understand the difference between a regular polygon and a polygon. All right, if you have any questions, let me know on the website, and I will see you in class.